right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, she is ready to rock and roll here. All right, here we go. Yep. Yep. Oh, I love this. I actually like this a lot better than I'm looking. Yeah. These are solid. These are solid. Look that way, the opposite way toward, yeah, like the direction, yeah. Stay right there for a second, I'm gonna, yeah. Now look at me. Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
What's your favorite side again?
This side. This side. Where I have the light. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. Like that right there. Stay just right there. Give me a second. I wait for this guy to get past. Yeah. Yeah. Hold that again. Hold up, girl. We on to something now. Take the purse and switch sides. Yeah, actually just hold it in front like that. Yeah. Come to me. Where I'm at, stand where I'm at. Right there. Now do that pose. Yeah, stay just like that, hang on. Because what I want to do is I want to get certain things out of my shot here. Angle yourself more that way. Yeah, just a little bit right there. I like the pose. I just need you to, you say you like this? I need you to come just a little bit right here.
More to the back?
Yeah, just a tad bit more right there. Because what it is I was getting that blue, and I don't want that blue thing. I want all the black and red. That blue was too overpowering your dress there. Yeah. Let me look at this.
No, I love those.
Yeah. Now, oh, hold up, man, we're cooking now. Woo. Stay there, I'm gonna get full body again. Woo. Lift your head up, yeah. Hold that, if somebody's behind you, hold. There we go.
Oh, that's really cute.
All right, let me switch my lens out.
Okay.
I like this because I think this works with the outfit. I'm gonna switch out to the 150 because I want to compress it just a tad bit more. Before that, let's do that pose that you got. Yep. This is solid. I like the hair. The hair is flowing on the side I like too. What up? It's not flowing like that. Yeah, this is solid. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Those are cute.
All right, guys, now I'm gonna switch to my 150. We're gonna get a couple of shots there, and we actually gotta be done with this, man, because she's doing such a wonderful job. Are you doing such a wonderful job?
What?
Are you doing such a wonderful job?
I think so. Am I?
Look what I got. The 150, guys. Y'all know I gotta go way back yonder now. And yeah, hold that pose. Yeah, hold all that. Hold all that. So I'm gonna get this in, guys. This 150 work. It's about to be some work. Yep. Good job. Oh, I like that. Yeah, hold that right there. I love that. Hold that. Oh, hold it with the lean? That with the lean? Good job, Vero. Good job. Good job, Vero.
Oh, I love those.
I'm gonna reverse my sides. I know you don't like your side.
What? Oh. Well, but I can like.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, do that. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I'm gonna get down a little lower. Give me a second. I'm old. I'm like somebody's trying to say they old. Yep. Yeah. These are perfect.
Oh, those are really cute.
Yeah. Yeah, I love these.
Ready?
All right, move the purse. Yeah, you can move the purse now. Nah, move the purse.
Yeah, move the purse.
I know, it's so hard to hear out here, is it?
There's like music everywhere.
I know, it's everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, these are just solid.
Ooh.
All right, now let me get your streak forward and we can be done,
Okay.
Carol.
I love the trees. I feel like it makes it pop with
It
the
does,
yellow.
don't it?
Yeah.
All right, I want to have you right here in the center. Yep, and we can be done. Turn your torso towards me. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Yep. I like that. Yeah, hold that right there. Yeah. Hold that pose. I'm gonna get. Yeah, keep your hand. Play with your hair just like that. I'm just gonna hit you from this angle here. Oh yeah, play with it. I'm gonna hit you from this angle right here. I gotta go back so far back. Yeah, play with your hair at the tip of your hair just like that. Play with the ends of your hair. The end of your hair. Yeah, play with it like that. Yeah.
I'm like, I can't hear you.
And now you made that video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Vero and I just put in for you. Now, Vero, how did you enjoy this whole entire
Oh, it was
process
so
today?
fun.
It was fun.
I cannot wait to see them. They're so good.
Yeah. Is this our first time we're doing 2 outfits on one shoot? No, it wasn't.
No.
We did one over
Yeah.
the other way. Yeah, we did do 2 outfits. Guys, I was going to say, I haven't shot 2 outfits in
we've
one shoot
done,
the other
yeah.
way. I haven't shot 2 outfits in one shoot in a very long time. I like just kind of doing one and done and going about business.
Yeah.
But today I want to go ahead and take advantage of Vero because Vero she be leaving me on red a lot too. I'm gonna say that. But
No, I forget.
she be leaving me on red a lot too, guys. I'm not gonna be lying to you guys. But of course, man, y'all see we worked out, man. I brought out the Odie, man, the 42-inch, man. I absolutely love the soft light. I thought it was absolutely amazing, especially in this area. I was able to put on the 150 and just absolutely crush and just get all types of different perspectives with this lens is because it's so tight and compresses everything. I absolutely think you really liked it. What part of the photos was your favorite, do you think, if you think on top of your head?
These last ones we took are really
you like
good.
the last ones you like?
Yeah.
Okay, she likes the last
And the
ones,
ones
right?
over here too.
Yeah, I do. That's what I was going to go with. My
Yeah.
favorite so far, guys, so when she was hitting all this on this side with the yellow,
Yeah,
guys,
that was
I thought they came out freaking amazing, man. It was
Yeah.
absolutely awesome. And the first outfit, I absolutely thought we got some great shots with that as well. Definitely down in that area. Especially, I think her sitting on the barrels is I like the ones in the first
Yeah.
shot where you sitting on the barrels.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anything else you want to say to the folks?
I'm gonna have a hard time picking them.
Oh, yeah.
They're really good.
Yeah, all right, guys. And of course, if you want to work with Miss Barrow, of course, all stuff is going to be in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by freaking. You ready to go?
Yes.
She's ready to go, guys. Until the next video, right?
Bye.
Bye. To the next video, right?
Yes, to the next video.
Okay, to the next video. Bye, man.
Of course. Bye.